There's a million different reasons that you might want to create an audience inside of Avid using the Pathways tool, whether it's just for better reporting or it's to go send an audience out to Facebook or to your email platform or to some other tool to go target them in a creative way. But what you might find is as you're browsing your different reports from the Insights tool, maybe you're looking at your overall program performance report, you may find that there's a particular audience that stands out that you want to go specifically run a campaign for. So let's imagine you're inside of your overall program performance report underneath the Insights tool. Maybe you're scrolling through, you're getting a good sense of what's happening in your program overall, getting some interesting learnings and observations, and you find something that stands out. Maybe you're particularly interested, let's say, in your reactivated donors. Well, we have a lot of those this year. Maybe we should go run an intentional cultivation campaign to make sure those people feel re-welcomed into the program, make sure that they are going to stick around going into the next year. Well, you can always hit this little Explore button when you hover over the chart or over the segment in the chart. If you hit the Explore button, what's going to happen is all of the different charts on the page are going to refilter based on that segment that you just chose to explore. And while that's loading, we're going to scroll up to the top. What you see now at the very top of the page is the current donor segment or audience segment that you have selected. Current active donors by segment, the audience is retained donors. You'll notice two things. You can hit this Save Audience button, which is going to save this particular segment directly into your Pathways audiences. But also, directly from here, you can go push this audience out. If you say, we want to go run a campaign today to go target these people on Facebook, maybe show them some branded advertising, you can go hit the Push Audience button. You can give that audience a name. You can say confirm, and then you can select the pathway that you want to push them out to. In this case, we might push them to Facebook. You can hit the Review and Confirm button, and then you'll be done. You'll be ready to go. So this is a very powerful tool as you're browsing through your different reports, getting some insights to enable you just at the click of a couple of buttons to go push these valuable donor segments out to your platforms so that you can go run these campaigns to make sure they stay engaged and maybe even give again. So take some time, browse through a report, and practice drilling into an audience and then actually saving them or maybe even pushing them out to a pathway.